Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the appearance of the Microsoft Outlook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on the settings button down below in the left side column. Scroll down until you find the preferences section and click on the first option, appearance. Here you can select the theme or the density. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to use. And you can also set the app icon. You have two options, light or dark. And you can also change the office themes. You have 6 options, 6 colors, so check them out, which one suits your preferences the most. And all you have to do is just tapping on this arrow pointing to the left direction at the top, and everything will be updated, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.